Did you know there's a Philippine creature said to stalk people from the treetops like a silent giant in the dark? But first, please like and subscribe to my channel and comment which country you're watching from. They call it the Kapre, a towering giant, dark, hairy, and muscular, usually sitting on the thick branches of Balete or old acacia trees. Its eyes glow like burning coals, and the air fills with the strong scent of tobacco smoke, even when no one is around. Witnesses say the Kapre doesn't hide, it waits, watching travelers pass beneath its tree, sometimes causing them to get lost, wander in circles, or hear heavy breathing from above. Many believe the Kapre chooses its target by curiosity, not hunger, playing tricks that turn harmless until they're not. So if you ever walk past an old tree and smell cigar smoke drifting in the wind, don't look up. The Kapre hates being seen, and legends say its stare can follow you home.